Now the closures
Now we are
continue
in
in Patterson area,
Manhattan.
Route 84 in both directions between
Canal
exits
Street.
17 and 16.
As much as snow as in New Jersey.
Thruway in both directions, 18 down to 1, expect delays.
Some people
Multiple
cannot
disabled
move their
vehicles
car, I
spin out
guess.
with extreme caution. Limited visibility. Now, if we take a look at the lines inbound George Washington Bridge, expect delays upper and lower deck.
10:51. We left at 11.
Some caution. Inbound Lincoln Tunnel is going to
2 extra hours. Well, 2.5, because we were making good time.
Maybe it's police isn't doing. Oh, walking could be the fastest.
It could be.
Yeah. If you're well dressed.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Please, nobody gets stuck.
Yeah, don't get stuck.
God, yellow
Oh,
cab.
these yellow cabs must be having a lot of
I
trouble.
don't think they're designed for this
Slight
traffic.
right turn ahead.
And probably they don't know how to drive in
Yeah, they don't know
snow.
how to drive
They are from
anyway.
like India or Saudi
Yeah,
Arabia.
that's true.
I don't know.
Oh, shit.
The snow will be coming down heavy at times, and even a level of thunder is possible. Could see anywhere from 1 to 2 inches of snow coming down per hour through the overnight hours. Also, at the height of the storm overnight, north winds will be increasing to 25 to 40 miles per hour. And we could see gusts as high as 45 to 60 miles per hour, creating whiteout conditions. Needless to say, travel treacherous through the
Quite
overnight.
wet and
Not
heavy snow.
recommended. Snow heavy at
It's
times will
nobody
drop
on
down to
Canal
low around
Street,
20.
which is
And then for
good.
your Monday, windy with snow showers continuing, the high only 26. Monday night, the snow finally comes.
Okay, this big SUV should get going. Go around the cab.
Tuesday, sunshine
There's one more car in front of him.
36. I'm Colin Galley, and at the Weather Channel.
Sirius XM first traffic time for New York City is
10:48.
now. Sirius XM first traffic and weather for New York.
Some people are modeling in snow. Yeah, I guess so.
All lanes are subject to foreclosure. New Jersey bound, expect delays. This is due to these weather conditions. They speed limit of 25 miles per hour. Now, if you are traveling in New Jersey, anywhere on the New Jersey Turnpike, there is a speed limit of 35 miles per hour that has been imposed. Now, let's take a look at the Tappan Zee
Okay,
Bridge.
time
Now it is
off.
quiet. However,